Hey, it's Gina with WTI. When my husband and I were looking for a new volleyball badminton net combo set, we knew we had to check out this one from Baden Sports. Their reputation for quality and stellar products is well known, and we were not disappointed. Every single component of this set is well made and not flimsy. I was especially impressed by the 1.5-inch powder coated steel poles. These went together so easily and they are so strong and sturdy. Transitioning from badminton height to volleyball height was a cinch. I did it by myself in just a couple of minutes. And the real key is having these guy wires well placed, and they're so easy to adjust. So you can see that they have these handles on the side. You simply make them bigger or smaller to adjust the tightness of the net. And this thing stands up to a lot of wind. We have gusts out where we live up to 20 to 25 miles per hour, and this didn't budge at all. I was so impressed. So this comes with 4 badminton rackets, 3 birdies, a volleyball pump, and a boundary line. We didn't use the boundary line because of our setup. We just didn't have room to install it. But it's so nice that you really have everything that you need to have like a professional game if you want to. I'm so pleased with this set, and I love that it comes from a family-owned business in the state of Washington. I highly recommend this set that we got from Baden Sports. I think you're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.